Hey everyone, let's talk about using the PlayStation Portal. The big question is, can you use it without a PS5? Officially, the PlayStation Portal is designed as a remote player for your PS5. That means it streams games directly from your console over Wi Fi. So, straight up, you need a PS5 to use it as intended. Think of it like an extra screen for your PS5 games that you can take around the house. You won't be able to set up the portal or stream games to it if you don't have a PS5. It connects via Wi Fi and mirrors the gameplay from your console. You need an active PSN account and a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps upload speed. For example, imagine playing your favorite PS5 games while moving from room to room, all streamed wirelessly to the portal. To wrap up, the portal streams directly from your PS5 over Wi Fi, requires a PS5, PSN account, and good internet, and is perfect for portable PS5 gaming at home. What if you don't have a PS5 but still want that portable PlayStation experience? You've got a few options. Firstly, PlayStation Plus Premium offers cloud streaming to PCs, Macs, and mobile devices. This service streams games from Sony's servers directly to your device over the internet. No PS5 needed, just a stable connection and the subscription. While this won't directly work on the portal without a PS5, you can use the PS Remote Play app on your smartphone or tablet and stream games via the cloud if you have PlayStation Plus Premium. For example, you could stream a game like God of War Ragnarok on your mobile device. It's not quite the same as using the portal, but it's a great way to play PlayStation games on the go. Stick to the official methods for a safe and enjoyable experience. Key takeaways. Official cloud streaming via PS Plus Premium is safe and reliable. Use the Remote Play app on mobile for portable gaming, and avoid unofficial methods like sideloading apps as they're risky.